Hey, this is Miles Grant with the National Wildlife Federation, here with National Wildlife Federation President and CEO Larry Schweiger and Michael Crosby of the Mote Marine Laboratory, signing a memorandum of understanding today between the two organizations to work together over a 5-year period. Larry, what does this memorandum of understanding mean for the organizations?
Well, for National Wildlife Federation, it means that we're entering into a formal partnership with a really top-notch science lab, one that has a great reputation in marine sciences, and we see it as an opportunity to use the science that they produce to talk to the scientists to gather important information that helps us to advocate for wildlife and in this case for the marine fisheries and other resources that are affected by the issues surrounding our oceans. And so I'm really excited about the partnership and the opportunity we have to really work together.
And Michael, from Mote's perspective, what does this partnership mean?
Well, clearly Mote sees this as a great advantage in terms of partnering with one of the foremost leaders in conservation and wildlife conservation in the Federation. There's no more respected institution in that regard in the world. And what Mote is looking to do is bring our international science capabilities and reputation to partner with the Wildlife Federation and its enormous capabilities in terms of outreach, advocacy, education of the public about what the important issues are, and actually engaging the public and being involved with actually helping to conserve wildlife. And in the marine realm, this is an area that is in critical need right now, especially when you think about a number of the onslaughts that the ocean environment has been receiving, and closer to home in the Gulf of Mexico, of course, the triple whammy that we were speaking of with the long-term dead zone problems in the Gulf of Mexico, the BP Deepwater Horizon blowout disaster, and now, of course, the floodwaters coming down with all of the sediments, all of the various pollutants that are going to be coming down. And that's the kind of thing that we've got to address for long-term sustainable use and conservation of these resources.
Right, and from National Wildlife Federation's perspective, global warming is one of our top concerns, and the oceans are certainly under threat. Larry, what are some of the concerns that we talk about when we think about oceans and global warming?
Well, I think there are two things going on. One, the oceans are getting warmer, which obviously spawns more intense hurricanes and other forces that really damage the coastline, but also the same warm temperatures have an impact on marine resources, particularly at this stage. We're talking about coral reefs and the fisheries that are surrounding that. And then more importantly, I think in the long haul is the amount of carbonic acid entering the oceans and how that carbonic acid will truly change the environment, will acidify the environment and cause perhaps profound impacts on all sorts of marine life. So we're very concerned about what we're doing to our ocean. We talk about an immune system. We're destroying the immune system for the whole ocean system, and we're doing it in ways that may be irreversible.
Well, Larry and Michael, I'm excited to learn about the research that we do over the years ahead. To learn more about this partnership, go to nwf.org/news.